lecture, I'm going to discuss how to use source filter in source qualifier in Informatica. So this is the video lecture 9th is there of this Informatica series. So let's see. So first opening this place mapping designer. So mapping designer, and here the next is let's go on this mapping. Click on this create. So m underscore source underscore filter. Press enter. Now you can see this come there. So here this is the source and this is the escort. Let's drag EMP inside the mapping designer and let's go on this source qualifier. Here you can see this is the properties. Here you can see this all properties are enabled. So in last video there I discussed about user defined giant. So let's see about the source filter. So let's click there. Here you can see this all ports are available. Now giving the condition on DP number. So DP number only I want to load 10. And for this one, let's give here escort is the user and give the password. Then here this is the condition inside the source filter. So with the help of this, we can filter the data. Okay, let's click on this apply. And now the next is here dragging this EMP underscore TCD table. So this is there. Now select all and here let's link that, and now thereafter here let's go on this workflow manager. So workflow manager, and here taking the new session for this mapping. Mapping is source filter. So this is now this Jan SQ first source filter is there. Let's click on this OK. After that let's go and do some changes inside the mapping. So this here SQ, here let's click this escort oracle, and now if you scroll down here you can see so source filter on this source qualifier. Here you can see this is the source qualifier, and here if I drop down then source filter EMP, this the condition is there. After let's here give the correct connection for this and changing bulk to normal. Apply OK, and here this is the task link, and here Control S to save. Right click on this session, start the task. So here this is running and succeeded. If I go there, then you can see this is the detail of this task. So here this query that perform, this the condition is there, source filter condition, DP number equal to 10. And after that if I scroll down, then you can see this requested 3 and affected 3. So if I go there and this place, let's click on this preview data. So selecting the escort, and now give. So here you can see 3 records that's loaded, 10 only. So since I have given the condition 10, so that 10 record only that's displaying there. On this you can also see the records. So let's give there. So this all records that's come from the source, and here you can see 10 one time, 2 time, and 3 time, 1, 2, and 3. So 3 times that's loaded there. So with the help of this source filter, we can easily filter the records. So with the help of this is used to perform the mapping is faster. Okay, for performance increment you should use there. So if you want to do the filtering, and there is the condition, if the table is relational then you can do, but if the flat file, if I drag their flat file, So on this flat file, let's go on the source filter. So this properties are disabled. Source filter, this properties is disabled there. So only we can apply this condition on source. Apply this condition on relational table. And here you can give any kind of condition. So here, this place you can select the table, and here you can give any condition.